Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a transcribed timeline so you can edit words like a document. First, import your clip and open the text panel. Transcribe the sequence with the language and quality you need. Once done, create captions from the transcription and pick the correct timecode and style so edits stay synced. Make sure the sequence is selected before creating captions, because that ties text segments to video. This gets you immediate word-level access and avoids manual scrub and cut. Now you edit the content directly in the transcript tab, so you change meaning rather than guessing cuts. Select phrases and press delete or type replacements. Premiere will map those edits to the timeline. For timing tweaks, drag transcript markers or use ripple delete to close gaps and maintain sync. If you need cleaner visuals, switch to the caption panel to split or merge caption blocks and adjust durations or styles. This method speeds up rough cuts and preserves audio alignment without manual clip trimming. Finish by cleaning up captions and exporting with the video or as a separate file, depending on delivery needs. Play the full sequence to confirm that edits match spoken audio and that no captions are truncated. If you notice drift or mismatches, rerun the transcription on the same sequence or relink the original media to restore timing. Make sure frame rate and timecode settings match your project. Mismatch settings are the common cause of shifted captions, so correct those before final export.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.